Alright, so like I said in the last video, I'm going to walk you guys through a problem really fast. That way, if you get stuck, you can refer back to this video and hopefully it'll help you out a little bit. Example 2 gives us 3 figures, 1, 2, 3, and they want us to use a centimeter ruler. So if you have a ruler, you're going to look on the opposite side that you were using yesterday. If there's a lot of space in between your numbers, that is an inch ruler. If you flip it over to the bottom, that's going to be your centimeter. This is the table where we're going to be recording our results. Then we're going to take our ruler, that is centimeters, and we're going to line it up with the bottom of our first figure. And as you can see, it's a little bit blurry, but the bottom of our figure measures 3 centimeters. The side of our figure measures 2 centimeters. The top measures 3 centimeters. And the other side measures 2 centimeters. Remember, you want to make sure that your 0 on your ruler is lined up with the edge of your shape, or else you're going to get the wrong measure. So where figure 1 is, you're going to write 3, 2, 3, 2. Then we're going to move on and we're going to measure figure 2. The bottom of figure 2 is 2 centimeters. The side of figure 2 is 2 centimeters. The top of figure 2 is 2 centimeters. And the side. So all the way across for figure 2, you're going to write 2, 2, 2, and 2. Then we have figure 3. We're going to measure using our centimeter side again. The side is 2. The top right side is 2 centimeters. The top left side is 2 centimeters. And the bottom left side is 2 centimeters. So again, for figure 3, we're going to write 2's. We're going to write 2's all the way across. Right below the table, it asks us which parallelograms have all sides equal in length. So if we look at our table, which ones have the same number all the way across? We're going to see that figure 2 and figure 3 have the same side length for all their sides. So we're going to write 2 and 3. Which parallelograms have 4 right angles? If we remember back to the other day, we said that right angles are shown by putting these little L's in the corners. So we see figure 1 has right angles, figure 2 has right angles, but figure 3 does not have right angles. So you're going to put a parallelograms have 4 right angles, 1 and 2. Then it tells us the definition of a rectangle, a rhombus, and a square. A rectangle is a parallelogram with 4 right angles. So if you look up at the top, you see 2 figures with 4 right angles. A rhombus is a parallelogram with 4 equal sides. So if you look up at the top, we actually have 2 figures that have 4 equal sides. Then a square is a parallelogram with 4 right angles and 4 equal sides. So if we go back to the definition, we know that figure 1 has 4 right angles, but their sides are not equal. So figure 1 is a rectangle. It says figure 2 is a rectangle because it has 4 right angles, and a rhombus because it has 4 equal sides, and it's also a square. Last question. Figure 3 is, we see that figure 3 doesn't have right angles, so it can't be a rectangle or a square, so it has to be a rhombus. Remember, on the next couple of pages, you're going to need to look at the sides, length, and the angles to help you classify your parallelograms.